Hey, good morning everyone. I see a lot of people searching online for the best recipe for making lactation cookies. In this video, I'm planning on telling you all the indications, directions, ingredients you need to increase your milk supply. So stay tuned to the end. If what you're looking for really is a lactation cookie recipe, I will not let you down. I will give you a recipe. As always, I love bringing you these quick little videos with information about breastfeeding. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so that you're notified each week when we post a new video. We post new information every Tuesday. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that eating lactation cookies all day long is going to increase your supply. So, for lactation cookies that are going to be the most helpful to your supply, the number one ingredient is 3 pounds of on-demand nursing. Number 2 is 2 pounds of skin-to-skin. Number 3, I would say 2 to 5 cups of determination. Breastfeeding is hard work, so stick with it. You got this. Number 4, 1 cup of knowledgeable support. You want to go ahead and mix skin to skin with a generous serving of on-demand nursing starting early after baby's delivery and often. Okay guys, these are the things that are the most important for building and protecting your supply, even more important than cookies. But if you're really here for the cookie recipe, stay tuned to the end where I'm really going to provide you with a recipe for lactation cookies. Guys, if you want to eat a cookie, eat a cookie. If you love cookies, eat cookies. You do need 500 extra calories during lactation, so might as well get them from delicious lactation cookies, right? But just so you know, you don't need any special cookie or supplement to build your milk supply. The most important thing is knowing to read your infant's hunger cues. The first 2 to 3 weeks is when it's most important for building a supply. In the first 2 to 3 weeks is when your body is responding to your baby's needs. It's a system of supply and demand. The more your baby asks for milk, the more production you're going to make. Your body is learning in the first 2 to 3 weeks how much milk to make for your baby. Once you've used these ingredients to build your supply, in order to maintain your supply, you want to keep doing on-demand nursing. Put baby to breast whenever you see early hunger cues. Early hunger cues include rooting, which is moving their head side to side, sucking on their hands, sticking out their tongue, smacking their lips. These are all early hunger cues. Fists close to the mouth and tight. I like to call it boxer pose. When you're seeing these early hunger cues, if you offer breast or chest to baby, you're going to have a much more patient baby for working on latching. If you wait until baby is crying, this is a later hunger cue, and baby's kind of already telling you that they are hangry at this point, and you're going to have a more difficult time working on latching and getting a comfortable, effective, deep latch. You want to keep your baby close, keep the milk flowing, regular emptying of milk. This may be more frequently than the every 2 to 3 hours that they told you in the hospital. There is no rigid schedule when it comes to infant feeding. You're going to hear in the hospital probably to feed your baby every 2 to 3 hours. Very often breastfed babies are going to feed more frequently. More than likely they're going to eat 8 to 12 times a day. Sometimes families feel like they need to wait that 2 to 3 hour mark even if they're seeing the early cues. Absolutely not. Go ahead and put the baby to the breast. You're not doing anything wrong. Believe in your body. Believe that your body can do this, that your milk is enough. Don't listen to the noise from outside, people telling you that your baby is hungry just because your baby's eating frequently. If you're starting to doubt yourself, if you are starting to worry, if your pediatrician is starting to worry, reach out to a professional, reach out for support. You can reach out to your local La Leche League. You can reach out to a lactation consultant. A lot of pediatricians' offices also have lactation support in office, so take advantage of that. Remember that your insurance company should provide you with A, a breast pump, and B, free lactation support for each infant that you have. So utilize that tool and fight for your rights on coverage if your insurance company is giving you a hard time about covering lactation services. I'll probably include a link down below as well for the Women's Resource Center so that you're aware of your rights for lactation support. The previously discussed ingredients are all the things you need to establish a good, strong milk supply. As promised, I'm going to put that recipe up on the screen now, so feel free to take a screenshot, or if it's easier for you, I'm going to put a link down below where you can sign up to get a PDF copy of the recipe with instructions. Have you ever used lactation cookies to try to increase your supply in a previous lactation experience? Let us know down below what your experience was. Did you really feel like it increased your milk supply? You can give us a 1 if you felt like it did increase your supply. Leave a 2 in the comments if you feel like it had no effect. Remember that we're here every Tuesday, so if you like the content in this video, please check out our other video. Please share it with other families that you think could benefit from it. Give us a like down below, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so that you're notified every week when we post a new video. Thanks for supporting us.